Hello, good morning. Nandito po ngayon tayo sa Inaris Event Center.
Hi, vlog.
Oh, mag-hi kayo, mag-hi kayo.
Hi!
Ayan. So, bali kasama po natin na dito ang mga ASG ng iba't ibang municipality. So, bali po sa Municipality of Cainta, kasama po namin ang ating PCR sa pamumuno ni Sir Glenn Apoy at Sir Louis Ansa at ang grupo nga Nariag, Axert at ang PGBI Genesis Chapter. So bali kami po ang nag-represent ng Cainta ASG. So bali dito po nagkaroon po tayo ng registration, so para ma-count po umattend na yes.
We would like to acknowledge the presence of our working component speaker, Honorable Nina, ECA Naras, Governor Rizal Province.
Nabati na naman lahat. Good morning. Isang ligtas at mapayapang araw po sa ating lahat. Before I start, really, I'm sorry, but I think it is my husband who fell into my jar. Not the other way around. But seriously speaking, to serve and protect, this is the role of the PNP. Kami magkasundo ng nag-aalaga sa akin at sinesermonan ako, ang sagot ko pala. Pero, sabi ko kasi, hindi naman kasi pwedeng mangarap ako na ako si Supergirl. Alam ko, hindi ako pwedeng lumipad. Hindi rin ako pwedeng si Spider-Woman. Hindi ko kaya nakitin ng mga dingding namin. But as I grew up, I became more realistic. Pinangarap ko to be a woman in uniform. Kaya lang, age reveal. Nung mga panahon na yun, hindi pa uso. Pero now, with the modern times, wala nang gender limitations. Pwede na. Why would a child like me dream of being a woman in uniform? I guess because while growing up, nakita ko na ang mga kapulisan ang katulong at kaagapay ng aking ama sa pagsisilbi. You, the men in uniform, serve in many ways to keep the peace and to secure us. You give us peace of mind by making sure we and our loved ones live in a safe and peaceful community. Nakita ko kung paano kayo naging partner ng ama ko sa pagsisilbi. Nakakatulog kami ng mahimbing kung nandyan kayo. Ligtas kami at ang mga anak namin dahil sa tungkulin ninyo. At ngayon, ako na ay isang serbisyo publiko. Panatag ang loob ko, knowing that we are partners, working together to make sure of the peace and safety around us. We all hate crime. At importante para sa akin ang security ng mga Rizaleño. After all, the partnership among the police, the community, and the local government units is very vital and important in the fight against criminality.
Friends and guests, a pleasant morning to everyone. Did you know that it will only take a 3-second recording of your voice for artificial intelligence software, or AI as we know it, to copy and make a long-generated speech that sounds exactly like you? Also, an AI will only require publicly uploaded photos to generate a real-life avatar that moves and talks exactly like you. And even your closest family and relatives will find it hard to distinguish the difference. Actually, I'm just starting out, I just started with this to lay out the fact that technologies have exponentially advanced in recent years. Unfortunately, we can take advantage of it to improve law enforcement and public safety. However, there are misconceptions in application of technology, and we usually perceive it as a costly and complicated task. On the contrary, there are technologies that are free, which can be taken from open sources and can be easily installed and utilized for very specific use with high impact and efficiency. One basic example is the use of a free mobile application to eliminate the delays in reporting traffic hold-up incidents, victimizing convenience stores, especially those that operate 24/7. What usually happens is that robbery hold-up incidents are being reported hours after, or even the following day, since the employees are left traumatized after facing near-death experience as they wait for the orders from their higher office. This delay significantly reduces the chance of apprehending criminals, since they have likely planned before executing this crime. Criminals who resort to robbery hold-up as their source of living are careful to ensure continuity of their easy money illegal business. Thus, they observe the behavior of the employees and identify vulnerabilities of their target establishments. More importantly, they carefully observe the behavior of the movement of the police with jurisdiction. Yes, they are afraid of the police, who will utilize them on site. However, they are confident that we are unable to catch them because their victims have no way of instantly informing us as they perpetrate their crime, even though they know that there are police patrolling nearby. Because they have a perception that they will be long gone out of AOR when the police are informed. Even if we implement checkpoints, we cannot simply check belongings and compartments of motorists. So indeed, immediate passage of information from the victim to police about an incident is vital. To address this serious public safety concern, the Antipolo City Police Station has launched and implemented a project that eliminated and identified delays of reporting for immediate police response to distressed convenience stores and gasoline stations in Antipolo City. Our distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, please direct your attention to our big screen for the introduction of our innovative project, Alert Botton.
Gun-related violence is one of the serious public safety concerns of the PNP since it poses a real and imminent danger to the lives of the victims. Criminals using guns enjoy impunity in committing crimes since they employ overwhelming advantage over their victims who easily comply, leaving them with long-term trauma. One form of this is the robbery hold-up groups targeting convenience stores operating 24/7. They have been a conclusive target since many convenience stores do not hire security guards to protect them, especially between midnight to dawn, where there are few customers. The Antipolo City Police Station has previously implemented many interventions to curb this problem, such as the daily visitation of 24/7 convenience stores and gasoline stations. However, with a ratio of 1 police in every 3,758 population, with a land area of 38,575.4 hectares to cover, and with limited mobility assets, it has been a daily struggle securing all convenience stores since there are many other crime-prone areas that need to be secured within the jurisdiction. To combat this urgent concern, the Antipolo City Police Station launched the project Alert under the leadership of Police Lieutenant Colonel John Paulo O. Abrazado. The primary objective of this project is simple: to provide a cost-free push-button reporting system that enable the employees of convenience stores to instantly send real-time alerts during emergencies, especially in cases of robbery hold-up incidents that will ensure swift police response to apprehend or neutralize the suspects. Since August 2022, this station has launched a project wherein 3 batches of security officers and managers of convenience stores and gasoline stations were invited to the police station. They undergone security briefing to avoid being victims of robbery hold-ups. Controllers are then conducting daily security security inspection. It will then hold convenience stores to check the operability of the push button, and the chief of police conducts a regular unannounced simultaneous exercise to determine the effectiveness of the project and the alertness of the patrollers. Patrollers can respond in 2 to 7 minutes, depending on their patrol location upon receipt of the alert. In an event of a robbery hold-up incident, the vigilant cashier or employee will be able to push the button upon the duration of hold-up in 5 seconds or less, and the policy PS Demand Center will instantly receive the alert SMS message with the complete establishment and location details. The duty officer in charge for the day will then inform the chief of police, while the TOs directs automobile and motorcycle patrollers nearby the reporting establishments for immediate response. Simultaneously, our Sky Patrol Drone project will be launched for an advanced area monitoring to keep a close watch of the establishment for bird's eye surveillance. This provides significant advantage in hand pursuit operations. Promptly pressing the alert button notifies the authorities about an ongoing incident, which is crucial for the patrolling police force to take swift action to apprehend the perpetrators. After a close collaboration with the local government unit and the active participation of the community, then the City Police Station will continue to provide a safer and more secure environment.
Hindi po matatawaran ang laki ng papel na ginagampanan ng ating kapulisan sa pagpapanatili ng kaligtasan at kaayusan sa isang komunidad. Kaya naman ang kapalan po ng lungsod ng Antipolo dahil masipag, mapagkakatiwalaan at innovative ang ating mga kasangga. The city government proudly congratulates PNP Antipolo on this achievement. You have our full support on the project Red Alert Botton. Sa proyekto po ito, mas mapapanatag ang ating mga pamilya, investors at mga mamamayan. Together, we will make Antipolo a safer city. Again, congratulations.